In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to publish a game on Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new game or experience. Now click on the option file given at the top left. Here, you're going to find a font option. Click on the option Save to Roblox As. Now go ahead and click on the option Create New Experience. Give a game a name, add a description if you want, and save it. I'm going to give it name as Purple Circuit. Also, you can customize other settings, and once you do that, click on Save. Once that's done, open a web browser and go to Roblox website. Now go ahead and click on the option Create or directly navigate to the website creation.roblox.com. Head over to the section My Experiences. Here you're going to find the game you just made. Click on it, then go to Configure. Under that, you're going to find option of settings. Click on it. Then scroll down and navigate to the section Privacy. To allow others to play, you need to set the experience to public. But Roblox requires you to meet certain requirements first. When you try to click on Save Changes, it will be grayed out. So click on the option Learn More. Steps to go public. Be eligible for Public Publish. Click on Manage. You'll be directed to this page. Now you will need to verify your ID or the purchase verification. You can choose the very first option. Now click on Continue with ID. Use the camera to verify your birthday. Click on Continue. Upload a photo of any of these documents. Select any of it. Then select Continue, or you can use other device to verify this as well. I'm going to use another device. Go ahead and scan this QR code from another device. Upload the picture of the selected document, national ID card, driver license, or any other document that you have chosen. Likewise, use your camera to verify your age. After verification, you can head back. Now you will need to complete another step. Set it to public, click on Learn More. Now, click on the option Manage for Add a Maturity Level. Click on the option Start. Now you'll need to complete this maturity questionnaire, carefully answering questions about violence, blood, and other contents so Roblox can assign the correct maturity rating. Once you complete this and you are approved, return to Settings. Now navigate to the section Privacy, click on Public, click on Save Changes. Now you can click on three dots given beside the game name. Select the option View on Roblox. In case you find the option of unavailable like this, launch the game on Roblox Studio. Go ahead and click on the option File and select the option Publish to Roblox. And that's it. Your Roblox game is now successfully published and ready for players to join. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.